how to copy and paste charts from Google Forms to Word document. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a visual guide with the process. So let's just dive right in and get started. First of all, we may head over to Chrome or any of the browser and search for Google Forms and hit enter. And when we do, we'll be finding official site. You may head over there and open up your form where the chart is available. So find it up, and once we open it up, this is the particular interface, and we need to look out for the responses section to find the chart. So find responses, click on it, and look out for the chart option. When you scroll it up, you should be finding the chart, and we can find this option called copy chart. You can click on copy. Once it is copied, we may head over to Word and open up the application and paste it where we want to paste it. For example, in this bank document, and type in Ctrl+V. And when we do, we should be finding the chart that we are looking for very easily on our screen. You can find it up. You can just go over and follow up this process if you want to paste it. If it does not work for Word document, what we can do is we can instead go ahead and use the Google Docs instead. It works similar, so if you can't do it here, simply go ahead and search for docs, the document, and there just go over and type in, and you can paste it. Click on paste, and when you do, you'll be finding the chart available on your screen, which you can use in your docs, and later on you can save it up on your device and open it up on your Word document instead if that does not work. And that's it. Usually, in order to copy up the chart from Google Docs, this is pretty easy. So we hope this video was helpful, and sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.